What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to fix the complete update to maintain security or your device is having an issue when you're trying to update or your Windows 11 is having this particular issue and how we can fix this app. So let me directly get into a step. So the first one is all about just go over here, search for the troubleshooting. You have to click on the troubleshoot settings, that's going to take you to this. Click on other troubleshooters. Now from here you have to click on run on the Windows update. So what happens is you will be having few questions like this, or a separate windows will be popping up. Now once you get this particular message, you have two options whether you have to select I can't download, install or uninstall any update. So for us we are having this particular trouble that we need to having the trouble with this, so select this one, and once it completely popping up you'll be having this question which is asking you to run an automated diagnostic, so you can just go for yes. So this particular step is going to take a little bit of time, so it will be cross-checking whether the troubleshoot is going to be able to fix the issue or not. If this is not working, we have to move to the next step. Next step is all about, we just need to go over here, search for services and navigate to the services. Now from here, we need to go to Windows Update. So keep scrolling down and navigate to Windows Update. So you'll be able to find the Windows Update somewhere else here. So this is Windows Update. So right click on this one, go to the properties. Now as you can see, make sure the startup type is automatic, and also we have to, the service status is running right now, we need to stop it. Now once afterwards you have to start it once again, then you have to close this, right click on this one, go for restart. Once the restart is successfully done, we just need to check whether the issue is solved or not. Next one, close this and go over here, search for the settings, click on this one and navigate to Windows Update. Make sure the Windows is up to date, that's very important. And if you're having issue with the Windows up to date, if it's not up to date and having the trouble, just scroll down and navigate to advanced option. Now from here, scroll down and navigate to optional updates. So if you're having any updates like this, these are updates of the BIOS, just update your Windows. Then you have to close this and check. So these are the steps, and I hope this video is helpful. That's it. Bye bye.